How to make chia pudding with almond milk. This tasty and super easy chia pudding with almond milk is an excellent option for busy weekdays. It's great for meal prep and can be made with 3 simple ingredients or more. How many layers and elements you want to add to your version is up to you. Ingredients:
2 tablespoon chia seed,
half a cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/3 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Mix the ingredients. Whisk together the almond milk, chia seeds, and maple syrup in a medium-sized bowl. Let sit for 5 minutes. 2. After 5 minutes or so, stir the mixture to eliminate any lumps that may be forming. Pop the pudding into your glass or container of choice and place it in the fridge to soak for at least 2, but preferably overnight. 3. Enjoy the next day with your toppings of choice, such as fresh fruit, crunchy granola, or seeds. 4. Drizzle over an extra little bit of maple syrup for an extra sneaky bit of sweetness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.